U.S.
It's only right, Justin.
Thank you, my brother.
Sour Milk, what's up? Hat low, like where we at, though? LA, what's up? Power 106, what's up? LA Leaguers. Hey, I hope this don't start no fires up in the hills or nothing, but
Right.
I gotta do it.
It's that time, baby.
Yeah.
Let's go get them, fam.
This just a little something like a little political debate real quick. Like,
Okay.
I just had to speak on it.
Okay.
Fendi, what's up? Your family. Slow, I see you.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's that time, baby.
Yeah. Look, I feel like a rap Republican, red cap like I'm trumping them. Make loyalty cool again, don't ship jump with them. Haters wanna see Grace fall, Humpty Dumpty them. But I don't play with none of them snakes, that's all pumping them. Niggas bite the hand that feed them, I'll chump with them. I ain't stepping on niggas' toes, I'm stomping them. Asshole, I don't like you, I don't bump with them. Trash holes don't get recycled, I'm just dumping them. I feel like I'm Lennox and Belly, who on run with them? Tell them let them instruments blow.
What's going on, guys? Drones the Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, y'all, you can see got new shoes on the ride, new shoes on the A959. So I took the original wheels off, put these ones on. These are actually chrome. I painted them. Make sure no car coming like that. Yeah. First one with the new shoes on it. These are actually not new. I had these, but like I said, they were from one of my other rides. I bought these off Amazon actually a few years ago. 3 years ago, I bought these off Amazon. And like I said, they were like a chrome color. And I painted them that candy red color. These are slightly, truck coming. They're slightly larger than the stock ones. Slightly a little bit larger than the stock ones. They look a lot better. A959, guys. He's got a 390 motor. The little brush car, this little thing be getting up though. Getting up. Yeah, I was gonna fly a drone today, but windy all day. Pretty windy. Yeah. What y'all think the mud? Bad boys look good, don't they? These are more like street tires. Probably won't be doing no too much off-roading with these tires. Street tires. Y'all probably need to do a speed test with these tires on them out. See if it goes any faster than what we got. What we get, like 25 or something like that? I can't remember what we got. She looks good, y'all. I painted the red just because I thought I'd go good with the red body. You guys think? Alright, y'all, I'm actually gonna run this for a little bit more. Just want to show y'all put new shoes on the ride. Hope y'all enjoyed this quick video. Like, subscribe. You already know what it is. Deuces.